Hello lovers of MasterChef recipes, welcome again to this video. In today's video we are going to be making the sweet chocolate without cocoa butter, and you can see what is inside. We are going to be making it with hazelnuts, so I hope you stay tuned and enjoy this recipe with me. So stay tuned and I'll be right back.
Here are the ingredients we are going to be needing for this chocolate with hazelnut. Now, this chocolate is without cocoa butter. We are going to be using ghee butter. So here are the ingredients: ghee butter, 80 grams of ghee butter. Here 50 grams of hazelnut. Here salt prepared. Here 1/4 cup of sugar, ice sugar. Here 1/3 cup of milk. So what we need is our blender. So we're going to be blending in immediately our. So we add in the sugar. We add in the milk. Then we add in pinch of salt and then the ghee butter. This ghee butter is so healthy, and I'll be listing everything on the screen. I'll be telling you the benefits of this ghee butter later in this video. So let's blend. So the next thing I'm going to be doing again is adding the hazelnuts. One at a time you can see the cubic there. So I'm just adding it one. I just want to add it like this. This fruit is so healthy and is one of my favorite fruits here. So now we are done with that. The next thing is to add in our chocolates. You can see how creamy it is. You can see how creamy this chocolate is. So we are going to be pouring in. I need to tap on it so it will sit well. So the next thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be popping into our freezer to let it cool, and then we'll come back later in the video.
So like I said, I will be explaining in details about this ghee butter. First of all, the benefits. It has 7 benefits, health benefits, and one of them is it boosts immune system, and also it improves your digestion. So knowing few of this, there are a lot of them as well. You can read up on my site. I will leave the link in the description section. What is ghee butter? Is a butter that has been clarified and also heated to remove the milk, proteins and lactose, leaving only the butter fats. So I left it overnight because I could not finish up. I could not do the ending. So here is the chocolate that we just made with the hazelnuts. Hazelnuts, right? Did I pronounce it well? I think so.
you can see how beautiful this chocolate is. So right away you can see there's no difference. You can't tell the difference of this chocolate with the one of the shop. Let me give you one example. The one I bought from the supermarket. So you can see this is how it is. You can't just tell the difference. This is the back of mine because their own is their heat is big, so you can't tell the difference between these two chocolates. So you can actually make this at home if you like. So right now, let's you see. In fact, this is the best. Among the whole chocolates I've made, this one is the best. So, if you have watched up to this level and you have not subscribed to this video, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel. Remember to give me the like button. If you like this video, please give me the like button. And thank you for giving me that like button. Also, turn on your notifications so that whenever I upload any new videos, you get to be notified. So I hope you learned something on this channel. And I hope this video inspired. Sorry, I'm talking too much. So, thank you for watching to this level. If there's any question, let me know what you think about this chocolate in the comment section box. To be sincere and honest, this is the best chocolate I've ever made. With the hazelnuts, if you like it. Thank you, and see you on the video that will be popping up on your screen. Bye.
So here are the ingredients I am going to be using in making this chocolate with nutty. Okay, not even